Here we go. We have my friend here. I did a mid fade, if you remember last time, and he loves it. He always asks for it. I'm gonna show you how to do the skin fade, mid fade, and we'll keep some thickness here. He likes to brush this part down. We're gonna put the line, trim the top a little bit. If you wanna know how you do it, I will show you how you do it in the easiest way. Watch me. First step, we set the guideline. We do it like a bit lower. Drop the fade always at the back, but looks more nicer. Especially with this kind of haircuts. Now I will shape everything off below the guideline. Next step, grab your shaver and shave halfway off. Don't go to the end of the line, of the guideline, just halfway. So I will go like only 1 centimeter or even less than 1 centimeter around the ears. Next step, between the super zero and the zero, you grab your trimmer and you hit just in between, just on the middle to remove this small gap line. Next one, I will jump with 1 centimeter here. I will open the clipper to the end and I will jump with 1 centimeter. Don't go too high, just only 1 centimeter, between centimeter or 1 inch. Now between the zero and the half, what I can do, I will open the clipper halfway and I'll hit only on this line, if you can see it on the camera. Don't go to the end of the half. Now next one, number 1.5, level open, and I will jump by 2 inch, but always flick the clipper out. In slow motion, that's what I do it. That's how I do it. So next step, number 1, level open, and I will just cut before the end of the number 2. So I will flick the clipper to the end. Don't touch this guideline. Last step of the fade, half, level open, and we hit only on this line. Just on this line, don't go too high. So, how short from top?
Perfect.
Don't touch my style. Here, the final of the style. It's a good one. Nice. No issues. Good style, actually. Ooh. By the way, he's a single. You can have chance with him.
Careful on that, careful.
Famous only, man.
It's gonna get me in trouble. Famous only.
See you next time, guys. Another happy customer. Thanks so much.
First choice barber.